Hello, I'm Samantha Nieto, the photography teacher here at Commonwealth School. I teach beginning photography and advanced photography. Beginning photography is an introductory course where we begin with traditional film-based photography and you learn how to develop your black and white film in the darkroom. Your efforts there teach you how to recognize and produce prints with good tonal range and expressive qualities. During the second semester, we scan your 35mm film to introduce you to Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom. As you make the acquaintance of the wide variety of approaches to photography, and as you experiment with them, you'll define your own photographic interest and vision. A day in my classroom can vary. One week we'll be intensively working on a digital photo series, and the week after we'll be working on cyanotypes. I try to cover various areas within the medium so that you have many tools to explore in depth at your convenience. I think it's important to note that you do not need to have any experience in any of the arts when choosing an elective. The arts offer you an opportunity to learn some exciting skills that you can apply to other creative pursuits. My goals as a teacher are to help you explore and experiment within the medium and help you pursue your creative interest. In my class, success is finding what excites you within photography and creating something that you are really proud of.